Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'll be going squishmallow hunting in my room. So right now what I have so far in my room, I have this jumbo squishy bunny squishmallow. And then I just saw one. No, we taste a lot. No quiero bates eso sí, sí. Ay, pensé.
¿Qué?
Wait guys, I had one right now. It was just right here. I don't know if I saw it here or on my bed. I think I saw it on my bed. So I have this jumbo one, but I just lost one. Where is it? Okay, I got this this one. So cute. I just got it today. My sister got it for me. Her name is Brock. Brock is quarter. I'll read him after. Then, what happened to the tag? It was literally on. Ma, Tita Tesla, ¿cosas estaba aquí?
¿Qué?
¿Tú lo titaste?
No.
Porque eso está, no lo quites a titar.
¿Qué era?
¿Las cosas estaba aquí?
No, yo no quité nada.
Then we got this one. It was done by Hello Kitty. So now we're gonna go up my bed and see if we can find more squishmallows. And I bet we're gonna find like a few, but not that much. Yeah. So I got some squishmallows. Okay, let's go. But first I gotta go to the bathroom. Just enjoy these squishmallows. I'll be right back. This is my girl. Okay. Wait, I didn't pull up my pants shirt. Give me 1 second. Oh, I did. It just felt weird. They twisted them a little. So I bet there's squishmallows over here. So we're gonna check over here first. Oh, there's a squeezable in here instead of squishmallow, but it's still very cute. Brian, go in. Mom, yo tenía eso en video.
Hombre, cierra la puerta. Cierra la puerta.
And so I found these, but these aren't squishmallows, but there are Jack and Skeleton. So that's all there's over here. So now we're gonna go on my bed, but we're gonna turn on the light. I'm scared because this thing every time it gives shock, but it doesn't shock. But we're gonna go up my bed, so I found something, but it's not a squishmallow, but I want to count it as squishmallow because it kind of looks like a squishmallow. So I just take off the feet. I'm kidding. So let's go up. I'm probably gonna get more squishmallows. Okay, you guys are probably waiting a lot, so let's go up. I got it. Yeah. We're going up. Okay, I found one already, and I'll show that later. But we gotta find them because if I don't, I'm gonna blow them. Okay. But yeah, for real, guys, we gotta find these. Found another one. We need 2 more. That's what I remember. I am looking as hard as I can for these squishmallows. Putting it. See, but I'll show the squishmallows later. Trying my best here. So many socks. I literally don't. But oh my god, would explode. I'm so scared that I can't see anything. Well, I should just make my bed. Oh, fix the stuffed animals, I guess. Bruh, that's so many. Okay, let's start off with this big one. Wait, I gotta make sure they're not under here. Ew, look. Oh my god, there's a shotgun. And there's a broken squishy down here. I'm gonna put this right here. Oh my god, why did I do that? Now I think it's a squishmallow. It's down here. Okay, we need two more. We need a little cat and ragdoll, whatever. Oh god, this is so hard. I got free jumbo. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, look how cute this is. It's backwards. Yeah. Wait, what? Wait. Why is it showing me backwards? Okay, we're gonna go like this because I don't know what's on. So yeah. I've known. Okay, this looks weird now. It looks better how it was earlier. So let's just destroy all that. Okay, I'm kidding. So trying to look in little places. I know there's gonna be both of those squishmallows here because I have all my squishmallows up here. My grandma gave me this one. But I was literally playing with these last night and it was school night. And I was supposed to go to bed, whatever. I did go to sleep. I stopped playing them because I decided not to. Oh my god. I have a sweater. Bruh. Guys, look how many waters. Look at this. Just look at that. Sorry it looks backwards, but yeah. I want to say something to my mom, but I don't know how this is. Whatever. Let me do that again. Okay, so, I don't know what happened, but I'm still looking. Oh, God. That scared me. So hot. So hot. Can you just move? So, I'm gonna check here and probably someone else. All I know, there's gotta be squishmallows over here. I have to find two more, and I can't stop this video if I can't find them. So I'm finding up almost away. I saw a tag, a squishmallow tag. I have no idea where I kept them. I know they're not here. I don't think they're here. So it's time to leave, and I'll sleep very uncomfortable because I don't think these are gonna come to life now. Because how I push this in there. Okay, just turn over. No, put everything on top of you. Yeah, this is the one who scared me the most. But okay, now these are gonna follow me when I sleep. Whatever. Guys, I don't think I count this as a squishmallow, but look at this. It's like super duper soft. It's kind of like a squishmallow. No apaga la luz. Okay, sorry. Turn dark for like a whole 20 seconds or something. I don't know. So that's all I could find up there. I'll show you what I found right now. Let me just get off. Wait, I'm for real. Where did I keep those squishmallows? I knew I'd keep them up here. If I won't find them, then I will here again. Let me show my mom this. Don't worry about my mom. No, mira. ¿Ves esto, verdad? Oh. Mira. Yo así. Sí, hace así.
Tiene el candado, yo creo,
¿Qué es eso?
para que no dé vuelta.
Mira, pero si da vuelta. Oh, I think it is that. No. No, ma. No es eso.
No, entonces yo no sé.
Okay. Okay, so whatever. I'll show you the squishmallows I found, and then I'll look here. So these are the squishmallows I found. So wrong one. Over here. So I found this little plushie. So cute. And then I found this, like, medium one. So I'm gonna look here. The toys again. And, see if we can. I don't know where to start. We'll start in here again. Bit itchy my leg. Ow! I'm probably gonna look up there again. Oh my god. That's scary. I thought that was a real spider. You know what I'm gonna do before I lose any of these squishmallows? Put all my squishmallows up here. So I never lose them again. Okay, so let's put this one in here. I don't know if this is gonna fit though. It does fit, and you can fit even more. Okay. Oh, will it open again? I will do yes. Okay, so put my squishmallows. Put these two, and then I'll put the ones that I find in here again. And then I wonder if this one fits. If that one fits, then this one fits, because they're kind of the same size. Wait, you know what? I'm going to try to come down here, because this one won't touch the ground. And then it's going to come down. Imagine it fits. I'll be dead. Sorry for the... I'm going to put you guys up here. There for you can see everything. Oh my god. I put you up here. Oh, barely fits up there. So, and then you could open it, and then you could take it out. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do. Like, you could open it and take it out. And I'll put these in. Then we'll see if this one fits. I feel like it's not gonna fit. Oh my god! Wait, it's actually going in. But I bet it's gonna take way too much space. Yup. Doesn't fit. Ugh. Don't know what to do. I just forgot something, but I don't want to think about it. So we go. no squishmallows. I found something else. Flippy octopus. It's not the same. Who are you? So I'm just wondering where I can keep the squishmallows because they're pretty small, not gonna lie. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check. Oh my. Okay, I'm checking here. It has a lot of toys, also has some stuffed animals. So let's check. Okay, where can you open this? No, are you kidding me? Please, are you kidding? Oh, thank goodness. It's about to be like, what the? Keeping this over here because I don't have to be over there. Oh my god, I found something so cute. Putting this here because that's cute. That's cute too. That's cute. I'm gonna need this one day. What? Yup, I don't think it's gonna have the squishmallow. You can already tell. Well, I can already. You know what? I should put all my Beanie Boos there. Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my god. I have no idea where I get the squishmallows. There's also somewhere else I can check, but I'm gonna check here real quick and see if we can find them there. If I do, I'm gonna be so happy and you guys can finally leave. If you guys want to, or you guys still want to watch me. So there's no squishmallows here. I can already tell. I feel like I have a feeling that they're gonna be here. But I don't think they're gonna be here. So I don't think, they're not gonna be over here. They're not gonna be in here. I could already tell. They're not gonna be in here. Okay, look, no. No. No, they're not in here. Oh, I found Nina Bingo. But no, they're not gonna be in here. Not even one, not even two, not even none of them. Yeah, I told you guys. I told you. So next place, the last place I want to check. And then we can move on to the place we can check. Should we just move on to the Beanie Boos and then we can find because I feel like the Beanie Boos. Yeah, let's do that. So, I got some of the Beanie Boos. We're going to put them here. What's going on? Moving that offensively. It's gonna fall though. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. Okay, so I'm putting that there. Cause these scare me. And look at their eyes. They like follow you everywhere. So we're gonna go back up there. Oh, there's one over here though. Give me 1 second. There's one right here too. Guys. Oh my god, I thought I just saw more. I also have a jumbo one. Jumbo everything. Okay, so we got these. And then we're gonna put these in here. Wait. Before we do that, I'm gonna check down there real quick and then we could go back to the up there. So sorry if you guys hear bad words. It's because my mom's watching TikTok and you know that stuff. Is that maybe my favorite? But she doesn't understand them, so she wouldn't really know, but she would know, but she would know, but she wouldn't know. You know, the use. Hi. Guys, I don't think it's hard because this is where my like dolls are, and I don't like going through there. I'm scared. I don't want to show anything over there. I know where they are. They're there. I could tell they're here. I know they are. I could tell that they're over here. They're here. I could tell. Oh, God. Wait. Go this real quick. Oh, because of still. But I could tell. If they're not, I'm gonna die.
Alondra.
Espera, está encontrando algo. Yep, I could see Stuffy. Should I just go under the bed and try to find them? Because I can't. You know what? Yeah, we're going to do that. Let me get my phone. Ma, ¿qué traes mi teléfono? Here. ¿Tú traiste el cargador del teléfono? ¿Tú traiste el cargador del teléfono? Okay, so we're gonna go under the bed. You guys can watch me go under. But yeah, you're probably gonna see a light, but I'm gonna go through that side because I know where else. Siempre llevas a la cama para hacer esto, so. Por favor. Sorry, ma. Necesito tener esto. Wait, 1 second. I'm going down. I'm looking this side too, just in case. Oh my god. Guys, so I don't know if you can see me, but yeah. Wait, I think I see some. Hey. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see. Guys, I got my favorite squishy. So what's called favorite stuffing? Look in here. No. Smells really good though. No, not here. It's not here, guys. Okay, going back. Okay, that took forever, but yeah, we got the most of it. We got a few stuffed animals. Oh my god. So it didn't really work out how I planned it. I feel like I was gonna go. But while we're looking for Beanie Boos, I think we're gonna probably find a few. Because the ones I. Oh, guys, wait. Before we do that, I have a drawer here. I don't know if this could be here. No. Not even one, not even two, not even no, and I have two though. Don't ask me in the comments. Well, you could ask me to do this again. Like, it's very, very hard, guys. I'm not joking at Oh, it's hard. Oh my god. Goodness, at least I found some. I was expecting to find one. So, yeah, that's what I was expecting to find. Two. Only two. Guys, give me 1 second. Sorry if you can't see, but yep, I'm not gonna find any BBs yet. Wait, I just had one right here last night, and then we found another one. I'll find it. Oh my god, I found a lot. So we're gonna put these down there. We're gonna throw them down there. And guys, I'm thinking they're under the blanket, so I'm gonna check there too. Ya voy. Ahorita voy a recoger eso, no me dice. Claro, no lo voy a recoger. It's not even down there. Not even one. Not even two. Not even the future. And I know what I'm gonna say. Guys, this is very stressful because I like my stuff where it is, but when I get clean, you know, my friends come over, my nephew, cousins. You know, I'm trying to clean up for because my cousins and my aunts come on Thursday. So I'm trying to clean up. You know, well, in the time 2 days, I have 4 or 5 days. I have 5 days to try to do that. I have school tomorrow or on Friday. So I don't know, guys. So I'm trying to clean up. So yeah, if you want to watch this, then stay. But if you don't, then just leave it alone. Leave it alone. I found one. I found the cat. Guys, look. I found the cat. Please, please. We have one left. We have one left. I don't think it's gonna be here. It's not gonna be here. It's gonna be here. I think, yeah. I would have spawned it there already. Yup. Not in here. But I'm so glad I looked there because I would have. If I haven't, then I would have never found it. Now we're gonna look. I have more confidence now, so I'm gonna look here now. I already looked here. I'm gonna look up here. If I find them, I'm gonna die. Oh my god, please be here. Please. Ow. Please. Found a beanaboo, but trying to find the last squishmallow. But I have one more squishmallow left. I am actually very hyper. I think I'm gonna get on to it. Guys, I think I'm gonna find it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna find it now. Because I just found that one, so I think I'm gonna find it now. So I think, yeah, I'm gonna find it. I don't want to see, I'm not gonna find it, you know, because I don't know, guys. I also don't want to say I didn't find it, because what if I start not finding it? You know, guys, you guys know me, you guys feel me. Yeah, you know, that stuff. I have a lot of these, okay. I have way more than these. I used to always collect them. Because I used to always like them, and I used to always watch like this YouTube channel who used to have them. But I don't know where she is now. I think she is dead. I'm kidding, guys. But yeah, I don't watch her anymore. I don't know what her name is, but I will try to find her, and I'll show her. That counts if you guys are interested. You guys collect them, and you know, you guys want to know her account. I don't know her account though, so I'll try to find it. Right, so I'm gonna look down here. I'm gonna find my phone though. Yep, I'm gonna limit the left one up. I'm gonna limit the left one. I'm gonna do this. las marcas. Wait, déjame aquí rapidito. Aquí está. So I'm gonna look down here and then I'm gonna look down over there. So, you know. So now I'm gonna look down here. Okay, I ruined the bed already. That's fine. This is gonna be so happy, guys. You don't know how happy I'm gonna be. Oh, I found a beauty blue. I don't know. What's down there? Wait, I'm gonna check here over there. That is there though. Looking. Guys, I just bet it's here. I'm betting you guys. If I find it, you guys have to like the video. But I'm not telling you guys to do it. I'm just telling you if you can, do whatever you want. Just telling you if you do find it and you can, but if you want to, you barely know me, then don't. Okay, really. Just trying to find my squishy, okay? Okay, and then I'm gonna try to clean up a little. My mom has been asking me, so I have to mostly.
No voy mañana.
Por eso te fresco.
So I'm just trying to clean up now.
Pusiste la luz prendida.
Okay, let's go. Put you guys here and let's clean up.
Son las 9.
No, I have one over here. So I do that. Some stuff right here. Whatever. So I'm gonna make like a bed over here and a bed over there. Because I got some pillows right here. So we're gonna put this bed right here. Then we're gonna organize some of my toys here. Because I don't have time for this. And maybe when we start organizing, we can find the fish. So I'm putting this right full. I'm gonna be so we got this blankets. We're gonna put this here for gas, because this is like a gas bed, kind of. But yeah, we're gonna start. Found a small,
Bueno,
yeah, you know, the baby. I don't know
Bueno.
what to do.
¿qué pasó?
So, trying to clean up here.
Bueno,
Sorry for that, guys.
bien.
So now
Bien.
I'm gonna put this here.
Bueno. Oh, que le traía el audífono, pero no sabía. ¿No me oías con el audífono?
Oh my god, I'm not gonna do
Entonces
that.
le hice, pero no.
Because it's late and I can't.
Pues bien, está ya en el cuarto. Un ratito comió. Poquito, pero comió. No, se lo comió y le hice un té.
I have so many squeeze more no job.
Ya estamos acostados.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to clean up today, but it might be.
Oh, háblale a Cristal.
Later.
No sé si está dormida. Yo sé que le hablaras a Cristal.
So yeah.
Okay.
I've been recording this
Bye.
I was trying to do it last time. So this is the last clip. I hope you guys like that video. Yeah, I don't have time anymore. I'm hungry. You know, the usual, the usual, you know, the stuff. I'm trying to do stuff for you guys to make you guys better, but when I'm trying to find something, I just can't find it. Let me go video orange, and then I get switch the, you know, then just can't do anything. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys liked it, and make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you don't want to, then don't. Just ask me if you can. But I'll see you guys later. Bye.